Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Terry. I'm a teacher at the Huntington Beach Unified High School District, and I'm here today to help you be successful this year in Canvas. In particular, if your teacher decides to assign a Google Cloud assignment using a Google Doc or a Google Slide or even a Google Sheet, how do you go about successfully submitting that? So let's go ahead and we're going to go into our student view, which is on Firefox here. And I am a pretend student here in Canvas. My name is Ferris Bueller, thanks to Mr. Chris Long. And so if you'll notice here, we have right here, we have a Google Cloud assignment right here. We're going to click on that. And then what we're going to do is it's going to make us authorize this tool, or it might not. Oh, we're already signed in. Okay. If for any reason you're not signed in, there's going to be a little tiny green authorize button down at the bottom that you're going to need to click on. So you have to click on it, and then it'll ask you have to click like, yes, that's okay. And it's going to show you a bunch of stuff, and you just click, click, click. So make sure if you don't see this that I'm looking at right here, it's because you have to scroll down your page, and there's like an aqua green authorize button. You have to click that and then click 2 more times, and then you'll get to this. Now, when you look at this, this happens a lot for people, is you can't see what's going on. Like it's just really small. You're like, wait, what is this? Why is everything so small? Okay, this is a school built for ants. What you want to do is you want to click on this blue link right here. So this blue link right in the middle, if you click on it, it'll open up a new tab. And now you can see the assignment, okay? So you'll be able to go in here and fill in all the stuff like top 2 fitness activities is making pizza. And then when you're all done, you don't have to worry about like any of the share or anything like that. You just make all your submissions. And then when you're all done, you just come back here and you just click this blue button, submit, okay? And when you hit this blue button right here, this is what it'll, boom. And right here, see how it says submitted at August 26th, whatever? That's the proof that you submitted it, okay? And then you can also, like, if you want to add some more stuff, like if I want to make some changes, what are 2 things you like about PE last year? Flag football, like maybe you forgot to do a little part of the assignment. And then you can come back here and you can kind of resubmit it. And then there'll be a resubmitted one, and your teacher will be able to see that you resubmitted because you added on some stuff. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So if you get a Google Cloud assignment, you're just going to go in. If this little window right here doesn't pop up, then you're going to have to hit the authorization button at the bottom that's not showing here right now, and then click through a couple times, and then you'll get to here. Make sure this little blue link right here, you click it so you can, boom, you can get the slide or the doc, work on it. And then when you're all done, come back here and hit submit right there. I wish all of you the best. I hope you all get great grades. You learn a lot. You have a lot of fun. And let's just try to make this year the best we can. Good luck, everybody. Bye.